Howdy folks, it's the RV brothers, Luke and Levi Kuhn here. Rove Lite RV invited us to their recent open house to show off their all-new ultra-lightweight Rove Lite campers and Rove Sur toy hauler. Founded in Syracuse, Indiana in 1998 by the late Larry P. Johns as a truck camper manufacturer, Rove Lite RV expanded into travel trailers in 2011 and is now a global RV manufacturer of innovative lightweight travel trailers and truck campers. In late 2019, Rove Lite went through a restructuring and unveiled their new management team. After meeting the new team personally, we think Rove Lite is heading in a new and better direction. Their new Rove Lite and Rove Sur offerings are designed to be lightweight, towable, and affordable, all while utilizing the latest construction technology. The Rove Lite series is constructed with a composite floor and aluminum chassis. All interior panels are Azdel composite and the seamless poured resin fiberglass roof is one piece from bumper to hitch. Offering the quality of a gel coat fiberglass exterior and a one-piece poured resin fiberglass roof, Rove Lite's goal is to soon eliminate the use of wood entirely in these travel trailers. 3 floor plans in the Rove Lite series offer different layouts for your specific needs. The current construction uses some wood for the furniture inside. The all-new Rove Sur boasts a 13-foot garage and is made of 100% composite material and aluminum. The Rove Sur is built to last with no wood material used anywhere and a one-piece fiberglass roof connecting the durable Hydrolite walls. This coach is half the weight of any model in its class on the market and can be pulled behind most smaller vehicles, allowing for more adventure with less hassle. Got all aluminum cabinetry in the new Rove Sur series. This is a toy hauler series from TLRV. Again, check out these all aluminum cabinets. Very cool. Aluminum countertops. Rove Lite even took us on a tour of their factory to pull back the curtain on the construction of these new models. Subscribe to our channel for full tours coming soon on these new models from Rove Lite.